Good day, everybody. Today we're joined by a lady, bakes and cooks, to show us the recipe on how to make chocolate brownies.
Right, for starters, we're going to have to preheat our oven to 170 degrees. It's important that you do this step and don't miss it. Then next, we have 175 grams of butter and 2 cups of sugar. We'll put it on the stove to melt it. We need to melt it over low heat. Here we're melting our sugar and butter over medium heat. You keep stirring because you don't want your sugar to burn or your butter to burn. As you can see, we're getting to the stage that we want. It's just melting the butter together with the sugar. At this stage, our butter and sugar is ready, so we're going to have to put it aside and let it cool. When it's warm, we now add our cocoa powder. This is half cup of cocoa powder. You need to use good quality cocoa powder. You stir it in. You need to make sure all the lumps dissolve. You can use your whisk. As you can see, all the lumps are dissolving. Now at this stage, we let it cool completely. Now that it's cool, we transfer it into a bigger bowl. You need to have a bigger bowl. Since we are not going to be adding flour, we need more space. There we go. At this stage, we add 1 egg at a time to our mixture. Using our whisk, we add the second egg. You can see how rich the chocolate is. We add our third egg. We need 4 large eggs in total. Then we put in our last egg. Now that our eggs are mixed in, we need ½ teaspoon of salt. You add it into your flour. This is 1 1/4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. You can use any brand that you find in your country. Right. Now we are adding in our flour slowly adding it into the cocoa mixture. Make sure at this stage you do not overmix. You don't want to overwork your flour. Wow, this looks divine. As you can see, my flour is well incorporated. Now we add in ½ cup of chocolate chips. Then in our prepared 8-inch tin, this is an 8-inch square tin with parchment paper, we put in our chocolate brownie mixture. After this stage, you now put it into your preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes.